Okay, greetings to every one of you, depending on the time you are watching this. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to open your trebedit on your device. Once you successfully download it on your Android, you just locate it wherever it is on your application menu. As you can see, here is mine. You open your trebedit. Now you wait for it to load up, and when it's loaded up, as you can see, I have index.html already on my. That's because I've used it to work already. But then I'm going to show you how to create a new folder here on your trebedit, and also how to create a file. So once you know how to do that, you can follow us up with every other thing we are doing with the laptop. So it's the same thing, but this is just the beginning part, this introduction to trebedit. So you click, as you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen here, you can see that menu. Click on that menu, and then you click on workspace. You see the third option there is workspace. You click on it, and then these are folders I have created already. But for you to create a new folder, you still check at the bottom right corner of your screen. You see that plus sign. You click on the plus sign. You click on new project. Click on new project. You name it whatever you want to name it. Let's name it, since we are working on tutorial, let's name it tutorial 1. Then you save it. Now once you save it, you see you already have a folder there named tutorial 1. You click on it to open it. Now whatever file you're going to open, whether your HTML file, your CSS file, and so on, this is how you're going to open it. Then you click on that same plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on new file. The second option there under that create, you see new file. Click on new file. Now you name it, we're working on index.html. Name it like that, then you save it. Once you save it, now you see that sign we saw on the laptop is also showing here. Now you click on that index.html to open it. As you can see, your workspace has been opened. Now you go on to create your HTML structure like I taught you guys before. So, and to do that, we have the first thing we're going to do is to, like I said, we're going to specify our work. We're going to specify our work, and to do that, you need to start with the first one, which is what? Doc type. And don't forget, when you're opening a tag, I told you guys we have dependent and independent tags. So to do that, you're going to click on your less than sign, then you put your exclamation mark, then you write doc type in capital letter, doc type in capital letter, then you give space and write your what? HTML, to specify it is HTML file. Now you close the you use your what? Your greater than sign this time around to close it. As you can see, it's on the screen there. You click on it to close it. Now you press enter to the next page. Now you're going to specify what language is your HTML. So to do that, you use your less than sign again. As you can see, you see all those options there. See all those options on your screen. You'll be using them. So you use HTML, then you give space, then you specify the language, LANG. So for you to get, you see there, that equal to, then you have a quotation mark of automatically it will appear there. Then you specify its English language, then you enter next line. Now the first thing now for you to do is to create your header, just like we did yesterday. So to create your header, your letter, you click on what, close it. This time after closing it, you see that automatically trebedit will show you another command that with a closing tag. Now you press enter for it to start coding your head. Now we're going to name the title. Whenever you open a tag, automatically trebedit, even it happens in Visual Studio too, trebedit will automatically close the tag for you. You press your word enter, so you can write anything you're doing in there now would affect the title. Now the title, we're going to name it what? Let's name it okay, we named it Diuxa tutorial. Diuxa tutorial. Now you're done with the head as per what we did yesterday. Now the next thing is to do what? Your body. You open your tag. after your, that is going to be after your closing tag for your header. Now you open a new tag for the what body. You put your greater than sign. You see automatically trebedit has close the tag for us. Then you press enter again. Whatever you are doing here now is going to be for your this thing. And we did our header 1, header 2, header 3. So let's do our header 1. You press what? H1. Okay, sorry, this one is not you use your what less than, you press what? H1. You close it, automatically it closes it for you again. Now you press okay, give space and write your header. What is your header? Your header 1, let's name it tutorial 1. Tutorial. Okay, let's name it something else. Diuxa tutorial 1. Okay, this is it. We've named it. Let's copy this Diuxa to, okay, no, let's not stress ourselves. Let's do our what? Header 2. Do H2. Close it. Automatically it's going to what? Close the tag for us. Let's type Diuxa tutorial 2. Let's do it up to 3. You can, in your own assignment I give you, you can do up to, let's say do up to let me specify the assignment. Do it up to let's say 5. Header 1, header 2, header 3, header 4, down to 5. So let's do our header 3. Our header 3, H3. H3. Now it will close automatically. You use what? Diuxa tutorial 3. You can use any name, or you can use any name for your own. Don't write Diuxa tutorial. You can still use Diuxa if you want to, but just explore. So when you are done with this now, you click on what? Save. There's a save icon there under on the same panel with your index.html. You see save there. That's a sign that shows save. Now when you save it, you click on that 3 dots up there. Now you click on okay, no, you click on play. That play sign you are seeing there, click on it. Play. Automatically you see now your header here is what? Diuxa tutorial, just like we did there. Now we have tutorial, Diuxa tutorial 1, Diuxa tutorial 2, and Diuxa tutorial 3. I don't know how many of you noticed we did an error while we were coding, and that's how you see our Diuxa tutorial 1 is not bigger than the Diuxa tutorial 2. So to correct this, now what we're going to do is we'll go back to our code and change. If you notice in our body tag, our H1 is HI we wrote, which is showing the wrong this is, so we're going to correct it. We'll correct it to H1 so that it's going to reflect better. H1. Let me close it as usual. Now let's play it and see it's going to reflect. Have you seen now our Diuxa tutorial 1 is now bigger than our Diuxa tutorial 2 and then Diuxa tutorial 3. So do yours up to tutorial 5 so that it can be clear, you will understand better. And now our header here now is Diuxa tutorial, just like we did there. And then our body, this is our body. So like I told you guys earlier, when you open a website, the first thing you see, the name of the tab you're going to see is the header, and that's what we have there, which is Diuxa tutorial. And then the body is everything you see on the main screen on the website. So that's the end. That is how to create a file and a folder on trebedit, and that's also how to view your work on your browser. So head on to do your assignment and submit as soon as possible. I'm also going to post the video for yesterday. Also, I want you guys to know that yesterday's video, because of network and some inconsistencies, my voice volume was very low. It was after everything I was playing the video, and then I realized that there were some, and it was even cracking at some point. But on Wednesday we're going to stabilize everything so that our recorded videos is going to be clear for us to understand and follow up. So see you guys on Wednesday.